Let's walk through a first print on the Bambu Lab P2S AMS Combo 3D printer. Start by loading Filament into the AMS2 Pro. Open the AMS2 Pro lid and place the filament spool so that the filament feeds over the top. Remove the tape, insert the filament end into the feed port and push it in slightly. The AMS will automatically detect and load the filament. Bambu Lab's proprietary filament spools and refills have an RFID tag inside the hub. The AMS2 Pro uses this RFID to identify the material type and color, then syncs that data with the Bambu Studio app. Before printing, check the build plate and make sure it's clean and properly seated. Avoid touching the surface with your hands. If needed, remove the plate and wash it with warm water and mild detergent. Then dry and reinstall it. From the printer's home screen, tap Print File and select a model. Auto bed leveling and vibration calibration run automatically before printing begins. Once the print finishes, allow the build plate to cool completely. Remove the plate, gently flex it to release the print, and scrape off any remaining calibration lines before placing it back.